Mid 1970 here again, and you'll remember that in a previous video that I changed the leather gator around the gear stick in the Zafira that I've bought for my daughter. So today I'm going to show you how to change the gator around the handbrake, which is slightly different because this one doesn't come with a plastic trim and you have to take the leather off and then refit it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And here is the old offending gator. I don't know whether you can see that down there. That's buggered. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that out. And that's it. That's the old banky one out. And look at that. And there's a new shiny one. So I'm going to take you through changing this now. So here's the new part, ready to be fitted. Now the seam goes down to the bottom, and this little bit here goes up to the top. There we have it. A nice looking new leather gator. You know, for a few quid, it just makes the interior just look that little bit nicer. You know, you can put a bit of life back into a new vehicle. Well, thank you very much for watching my video again. I will be back again shortly with some more. Wishing everybody out there at the moment with the coronavirus going round, you know, I really hope you don't get it. That's all I can say. Stay indoors, keep your distance from people. We'll get through this in this year. Hopefully 2021 will be a better year for us all. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos, and I'll see you around soon. Thank you very much.